So a friend of mine who lives in Spain has got a 1980 911 convertible Porsche. It's in storage, but he wants to use it eventually. So because it's always sunny out there, he wants us just to scrap the hood, scrap a load of the old boring stuff on it and make it into quite a stunning car. So we're going to use new body panels, maybe bits of body kits, a bit of work, a bit of fabrication, and we're going to build a real stunner of a car. So the way I've designed it, I've used Photoshop. I've got a picture of his original car, and then I've gone around the web looking at different cars, different ideas from other people, and actually took the panels, cut them out of their cars, brought them into our system, recoloured them because we're doing the new car. It's like a titanium grey, which look really spectacular. So I brought them in pretty well. All 911 stuff is roughly the same size, so it's pretty good for scale, so it all fits on, but it's looking really good. He was really pleased with it, so I just wanted you to have a look at it, see if you like it. You might enjoy seeing how it was done, and I look forward to him getting it built and having a cruise around Spain in it with him. So this is the first time we've actually seen the car. I mean, it looked good. It was in a good colour, silver, especially for working in Photoshop and not having to play around with colour. Obviously it's a convertible, that makes it easier for us to do the top part of it, which is going to be open top. So we were quite happy with that. Firstly, we needed to cut it out though, because the background's a bit confusing. Here it is cut out, and then we've just put that into a nicer background for no reason other than it looks better. We put a bit more shadow under it so it sits on the grass better. Now we convert it to black and white, because black and white's good to work with in Photoshop, especially when it's a titanium coloured car. Put a 996 wing on it now. I like the look of it. We've got it in titanium colour, but it slopes down a little bit more than the earlier 911 wings, so it gives it a nice slope at the front. Let's get the bonnet and the right hand wing on, see what it looks like. It looks cool. You can see a bit of the old wing out the front there. Let's just rub that out with Photoshop. Get the rubber tool. There we go, get that out. So we've just put on the back panel. I call it the Batman back panel for obvious reasons. That's going to take some fitting, but we did find it on a Porsche 911 special, so it will fit eventually, and it really does make it look nice. I've just put the sill on, so that's the sill, 996 again. 996 back wing, we're going to have to modify the back lights. We might try and use the 911 lights just to keep the cost down again. We've smoothed off that arch as we have on the front ones, as opposed to the 911 original was quite harsh edge on the arches, so I didn't like that. So now I've just dropped the windscreen on. Now this is the actual glass out of the actual 911 windscreen, and it looks really cool. I've raked it right back to try and be able to use the whole full original windscreen, but we're going to have to look into that. It's going to be one of the most complex parts of the build, but when we've removed the 911 windscreen in a minute, you'll understand how good it looks, because the height of it is the same height as the Batman panel and the headrest. So here we go, let's remove that. You can see how it's lowered the car, it's more sleek looking now. Put a spoiler on the back as well. I mean, that's like an RSR spoiler, come whale tail. I think it was off a Porsche body kit, but we can make that basically, or we can get one, but it just suits the Batman panel running into it. It's just sleek, and all the lines are flowing, so I'm really liking it. It'll be fantastic if this conversion actually happens in the future at some stage. Maybe when we get my Formula race car finished, we'll get a Porsche like this and do a Porsche as well. It'd be a very striking car to drive around in. That's the door in titanium now, so that makes it better. We've left the original mirrors on, but I don't know about that. I'd probably like to change them, but it depends on budget. So now we're just playing around, we're going to get rid of the background, have a little look at it. It needs a few little tweaks. I mean, I can see that some of the hood of the original Porsche is showing out from behind it, so that needs to go. We've got some little dots there, we're going to get rid of them. There goes the hood. That was the hood off the original 911 showing through. Yeah, and there it is. That's quite cleaned up now. I mean, I will do a bit more on it. So that's the two cars next to each other. And this is another one I've done off of another picture I had of the car coming towards us, like an earlier version of it, make it look old school. Because that's what the car looked like from the front. So, but he didn't like the old school one, he liked the titanium silver one. So that's it really. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was really quick and a bit patched together, but if you liked it, like it, and subscribe if you want to.